Welcome back everyone. Today we are cooking a very popular dish made of pieces of meat marinated in yogurt and spices and then threaded onto skewers. Yes, we are talking about tikka. We will be making mutton tikka today. These mutton tikkas are tender, fragrant and deliciously full of flavor and aroma. So let's get started. For this recipe, we'll need 1 kg meat. You can use lamb or beef. We'll start with first marination by adding salt, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1.5 tablespoon of papaya paste to tenderize the meat and break down the tough muscle fibers. Mix it together and keep it aside for 1 or 2 hours for papaya to work its magic. While our meat is marinating, we'll prepare the second marination with yogurt and spices. To half cup of yogurt, add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of allspice, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, a teaspoon of sumac, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, teaspoon black pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, 4 to 5 powdered cloves, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix everything together and add the marinade to the meat. And again, let the meat rest for 2 to 3 hours before we start cooking. Then set your oven at 230 degrees Celsius, and while oven is preheating, we'll start threading the meat pieces onto the skewers. Place the meat into the oven and roast it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove it from the oven and brush some clarified butter to both sides to maximize the flavor. Again, pop it into the oven for 15 minutes. And while our tikka is getting ready, let's make creamy yogurt dressing to go along with. Add a teaspoon of garlic powder to Greek yogurt, some red chili powder to add some heat, add salt and fresh cilantro. Mix it up and our creamy yogurt dressing is ready. Now let's check on our tikkas. Let's plate it and serve it with fresh green salad, thinly sliced onions, tomatoes, fresh green chutney and yogurt dressing. So next time when you're having a get-together, I recommend marinating the meat overnight, and I promise the taste can beat any fancy restaurant and you will receive tons of compliments. Do try out this recipe and share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching.